So how do you feel about hands-on labs?
I think they're really good for learning because you get to interact and actually see it all instead of just hearing it and writing it down or looking at a picture of it. And it helps like reinforce what you learn in class and also teach you more.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Cool to see the inside of the hearts and the internals and externals. To really see all the different, well, to learn how everything works within and without the outside and inside view. So I think that's very cool.
Well, let me ask you this. Do you think that hands-on experiments assist you with understanding the concepts better?
It's definitely better than seeing it in a book or on a phone or something.
So how do you feel about hands-on labs?
I think they're really cool. It's like a lot better than, I guess, reading them in a book or, you know, watching them on a video because you actually get to like experience it firsthand and stuff. You know?
So what is most memorable to you about today's lab?
Dissecting that heart.
Oh, awesome. So what did you learn about the heart?
Well, for one, like the hearts of even...
Think about hands-on labs.
Hands-on labs are cool, you know, like it's good to get a break from like writing in your notebook and actually getting to do some stuff that you've been learning about.
Does it reinforce, you know, what you're learning in the classroom?
Kind of. Yeah, it does. Like we learn stuff in the classroom, we get here and we get to like do it and see how it connects to real world stuff, you know.